You just told me that you will get into IIT, and I did not have that much of belief in myself. How can you predict just from like a few interactions that, oh yeah, you've got the fire in you, you have the zeal in you? That was astonishing. And like on the day of my result, I was like shivering, and I was like, Mitesh sir said the same thing. Oh my god. Hello, I'm Manasi Nikam. I am in the third year of Bachelor of Design at IIT Guwahati.
And how do you feel in this campus?
My campus is amazing. You get everything you want. It's like a dream come true, basically.
I saw that the campus is really big. So, can you tell me about your course?
I'm doing Bachelor of Design at IIT Guwahati, but we are free to choose any specialization. There's no such thing that we have to constrict to a particular thing. But what interested me the most and what I'm going to pursue in the future is interaction and UI UX design. What introduced me to this was we had a course which was user research. So over there, it was all about talking to people, doing the research, and then new methods, how we can understand what exactly people want and need. So that is something which sparked my interest in that particular field. And then I realized how UX is an umbrella term which encompasses research as well as UI and all these things.
You can take an example.
The entire experience of a person using a particular service, product, or any sort of a design is the user experience of that person. Like, very simple as we break the terms, and it means exactly the same thing. And your experience is something which is so holistic and so like massive. It's like an umbrella term. And what all parameters affect that fall under the UX. It might be just a simple, say, car dashboard or an electric vehicle dashboard, and the kind of navigation you have to see over there, or the placements of several buttons and the reasoning behind why it is that way is something which falls under UX.
Do you think that this field of design in general, or all the subfields which come under design, maybe product design, UI UX design, communication design, visual design, do you think that it will be replaced by AI?
That's a really nice question. And what I personally feel is this is one of the last fields which can be replaced by AI because it talks about what humans actually need. It is sort of irreplaceable because we have to be there, we have to look from the user's perspective and also make them understand the things that they are not understanding, which are their problems itself. So we have to be in their position, look from their perspectives, have empathy, and then figure out what is it that they need at that moment. So I don't think an AI will be able to do that. The humanly touch and feeling which is there in this field is irreplaceable. I personally use AI to my advantage because it helps me make iterations faster. Like if say a designer wants to has some visual in mind, and I can just give the prompt to AI and it can give me not the exact thing but something similar, and now I'm able to foresee whether this thing will turn out to be nice or not, and then it will basically save my time entirely and show me several iterations, and then I'll be able to design better eventually.
Let's say you are done with your graduation. I know I'm taking this question very seriously and taking towards like कभी आपने शायद ना सोचा हो, बट आई फील लाइक कि ये सोचना भी ज़रूरी है बिकॉज मैं स्टूडेंट्स को हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि अपने आप को अपडेटेड रखना चाहिए. यू कैन नॉट बी लाइक दैट ऑर्थोडॉक्स टीचर और अ स्टूडेंट कि आप एक ट्रेडिशनल टीचिंग पैटर्न से आप जा रहे हो. अगर आप अपने अंदर इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं ला रहे हो, लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी को अगर आप नहीं अपना रहे हो, नहीं समझ रहे हो, तो मुझे लग रहा है आप आउटडेटेड हो जाओगे और आप बाहर कर दिए जाओगे भीड़ में से, राइट? क्राउड में से आप बाहर हो जाओगे, वो जो दौड़ चल रही है. सो कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि आगे कुछ साल के बाद जाके हो सकता है कि AI आपका कॉम्पिटिटर बन जाए, एकदम टफ कॉम्पिटिटर?
AI will be replacing people in every field, but you have to be good at it. Like if you are just not putting in any creativity, you're just doing repetitive work, then that is something that machines can replace. But if you are adding in creativity, you are adding in actual humanly value to a project, then you're irreplaceable. What I think is, or what I have experienced is, even from the intern season, we had lots of project using, like, in which we designed keeping in mind AI. So the idea was, if there is new technology coming up, we have to help people benefit from that technology. And our responsibility as a designer is find what people need and how can this new technology help them bridge that gap. Like, AI has come up and now we are finding different use cases of how we can help people use AI. There is this entire section of virtual reality which has come up, and now there is UX in 3 dimensions. So there are different avenues opening with newer technologies coming up in the market.
अमेजिंग. मतलब ऑनेस्टली अब तक जो मैं पेरेंट्स से बात करते आया और जो मैं बता रहा था, मुझे लग रहा मानसी आपसे बात करके मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आई एम गेटिंग अ न्यू डायमेंशन ऑफ आंसरिंग पेरेंट्स, बिकॉज मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि इस तरीके से भी आंसर दे सकते हैं. जिस तरीके से यू गिव एग्जांपल ऑफ एम्पैथी, एक शूज़ के इंटरनल साइज़ के बारे में, कि दुनिया के हर एक इंसान का जो पाँव का साइज़ होता है वो अलग होता है, और साइज़ में भी उसकी जो बनावट होती है वो एकदम अलग होती है. सो आई थिंक अ डिज़ाइनर is someone who understands the emotion, understands the in-depth thing, what user wants, and we customize it exactly what user
what
wants.
they need.
Yeah, to what they need. और मुझे लग रहा है कि इतना एग्जैक्ट कोई आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस बना ही नहीं सकता. अगर मैं कह भी दूं कि काफ़ी साल के बाद बना सकता है,
मतलब बना सकने वाली बात से ज़्यादा ये है कि अगर कल को से there's a humanoid, there's Sophie, she just comes up to me and asks me things, but I will have that bridge of emotions. Like, if you come up to me and ask me about what all problems I face in, say, my sling bag, I'll be able to tell it to you better, or you'll be able to observe it from the just being around me. But will an AI bot be considered like trustworthy enough from my side or anything else? I feel like technological advancement will in fact bring in more people to adapt, say, like cell phones also. There was nothing called UI UX design before. This technology came up, people started using cell phones, and then we have this new avenue.
How do you find this field design as a career? ये सवाल मैंने पहले भी पूछा है कि you being very good from academics, like आपके academics में काफ़ी अच्छे मार्क्स रहे हो. मैंने ये भी पूछ लिया था आपसे पहले कि आपके आसपास के लोगों ने, इर्द गिर्द के लोगों ने क्या आपको बोला नहीं कभी कि तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए एंड ऑल. सो बट यू डिसाइडेड कि आई वांट टू बी अ डिज़ाइनर एंड मुझे इसी फील्ड में कुछ अच्छा करना है. तो हाउ डू यू फाइंड दिस फील्ड? लाइक कैसा लगता है जब तुम अपने आप को कहती हो कि I'm a designer?
There's definitely a stereotype and taboo, and people do not actually understand कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो. But it's fine, I guess. I am doing what I want to, and that keeps fueling me. If you genuinely like doing something and you choose it as your profession, you just become lethal. I mean, you become unstoppable. I can go on working for hours and I don't actually feel any sort of a burnout when I'm doing design or when I'm talking to people and trying to find out what are their problems, when I'm doing user research or when I'm trying to come up with ideas. It's fun. I enjoy doing that. And initially, yeah, I was also prepping for JEE, so I thought I wanted to use my analytical side more, but things just fell in place and I ended up here. And now I feel that even though I was skeptical initially, this field has chosen me. So that's why I'm here. We mostly center it towards how we can connect that technology with actual humans. And I like to be that bridge, like someone to basically bridge that gap between a very technical alien sort of a thing and a very soft side of people.
You have gone through this particular situation, so I want to know, there are many students जो हर साल मेरे पास आते हैं और मुझसे पूछते हैं कि सर सर हम जेई भी कर रहे हैं क्योंकि पेरेंट्स बोल रहे हैं, और सर हम जेई इसलिए भी कर रहे हैं कि मान लीजिए डिज़ाइनिंग में नहीं हुआ तो. एंड उनके स्किल सेट जो हैं उससे समझ में आता है कि ये स्टूडेंट डिज़ाइन में काफ़ी अच्छा कर सकता है. बिकॉज जिन स्किल्स के सेट की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट अबाउट ड्राइंग, इट इज़ अबाउट हाउ यू रीजन थिंग्स, हाउ यू सी थिंग्स, हाउ यू परसीव, हाउ लाइक व्हाट डिड यू सी व्हाट अदर्स आर नॉट एबल टू सी. तो ये सारे स्किल्स हैं जो एक डिज़ाइन माइंडसेट में है. द मोमेंट यू जंप इनटू इट एंड यू वांट टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम व्हिच इज़ एग्जिस्टिंग. हाँ, एक मैन्युफैक्चरर ने 100 प्रोडक्ट बना दिए, लेकिन वो बच्चे ने क्या किया, उसने अपने प्रोडक्ट को कस्टमाइज कर दिया, उसने एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दी. सो ये बच्चे इस ट्रैप्ड सिचुएशन में रहते हैं एंड दे आर नेवर एबल टू मेक दिस फर्म डिसीजन. वो 12th में आने के बाद जाकर उनको समझ में आता है कि यार जे का प्रिपरेशन करना ही नहीं चाहिए था. और 12th में आने के बाद उनको लगता है कि यार अब हम डिज़ाइन करते हैं. एंड वो फिर अपने फुल पोटेंशियल से उतना वर्क नहीं कर पाते जो एक स्टूडेंट पहले एक माइंडसेट के साथ आता है कि हाँ मुझे यही करना है. आप उनको क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहेंगे?
मेरा ऐसे था कि मुझे डिज़ाइन के बारे में इतना नॉलेज नहीं था पहले, बीइंग फ्रॉम अ फैमिली विच इज़ वेरी मच इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स एन इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड इटसेल्फ. तो एंड आई वाज इंटरेस्टेड इन साइंसेस, मैथ्स and everything, so I went ahead with JEE prep. But eventually you get to realize ना, when I was prepping for UCED and what I was doing for JEE as well, तो मैं equal amount of time दे रही थी. इनफैक्ट JEE को टाइम ज़्यादा दे रही थी मैं 11th स्टैंडर्ड में. बट मुझे ऐसे हुआ कि आई एम सिटिंग फॉर से 4 hours doing sketching and solving logical reasoning questions, और मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि टाइम पता नहीं चल रहा मुझे. This and then in the math side of it there was like I felt kind of कि I don't think this is the side for me, and you just get to know it during the prep itself whether you're more inclined towards this sort of a thing or this sort of a thing. And to me I felt कि अगर ये ही फ्यूचर में करना है, so it will be better for me to do something which I am actually enjoying.
अभी 3 साल पढ़ने के बाद और मे बी लाइक डिज़ाइन फील्ड को समझने के बाद, व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि पैशन मैटर्स और मनी मैटर्स?
I think both do. If I am being practical and if you want to survive in this world, money definitely matters. But it's to some extent. Like, it's very similar to, like, if you see कि I'm able to suffice certain basic needs or get to some ambitious position in the society, so I'll be ultimately happy instead of like having doing something which I'm very passionate about but I'm not earning anything at all. But talking of my passion, it was design. So if you are really good at design, you will heftily earn as well. Like from my personal experience, that if you are really good at something which you are passionate about, you'll definitely get the money.
You know, that's what I say students कि पहले वो काम करो जो तुम्हें पसंद है, जो तुम जिंदगी भर कर सको.
You definitely have to work hard if you want to earn money, and then reach to that extent that a company will find you worthy to pay you, or you can think of something which is just outside, just being recruited somewhere. You can just come up with a new thing altogether. And I feel in my department especially, we just try to find pain points and then we come up with solutions. So I think it's the best place to start a startup as well. Like, you can have so many ideas floating around, and our profs do actually support such things.
As a designer, when you get a correction from a design critic, how do you take it? Do you feel good? Do you feel bad? Or do you just take that correction and move forward? Because no design on this earth is perfect.
Yeah.
Every time you solve a problem with a new design, that new design will invite a new problem to it.
Yeah.
Right.
Or there might be better ways of solving the same.
Or maybe like if there were 3 problems and you solved one, 2 are still existing. But the new solution which you gave, it is still inviting a new one. And that's how this design world works. So to you, when you design something and someone is giving a correction, you as a designer, how do you feel?
I do believe that design is very iterative. Design is very agile and dynamic. Just look at any design process. You might start from a problem, you might start from an idea, you might start from an existing product, and you think, is there any way to better it out? So anything can be a starting point in design. So there's a lot of freedom, and then there's lots of possibilities of improving everywhere. So if someone is giving you a critique, you have to understand their perspective and not just blindly believe whatever they are saying, but see who your users are and with an open mind figure out whether it actually is a problem. If I talk about someone who is at a superior position to me, who is actually experienced in design, so you just should take it as an opportunity to improve yourself because they have tremendous amount of experience and they are saying it through the intuition they have developed throughout their time. And yeah, handling critiques is very difficult if I be honest. Like if you work on something for 7 hours and a professor doesn't like it, you will definitely be disheartened as every other human. But eventually we gear up, we try to finding alternative ways in which we can come up with designs which are actually useful.
Design is something which I feel like it's more of you work with all the senses. Like whenever you design something, you are not just designing for eyes. Like it has to deal with what you hear, what you smell, what you see, what you feel. So that is the reason I was asking this question.
This is what differentiates design from art, right? Art is a form of expression, but design is solving for a problem. So if someone is critiquing your art, but for you it is very worthy, so it's not necessary you take that critique into account. But if it's a design, it has to solve a problem for my user, and that user is pointing out to me that this is a problem and this is not working. So I definitely have to take that into consideration whether I'm solving his problem or not.
My last question, I know it will be a repetitive question, but I still want to ask it. That I want a motivation for this design aspirants or the future designers. They do lose with motivation, courage during this journey. काफ़ी हताश भी होते हैं, निराश भी होते हैं और हर किसी की लाइफ में स्पेशली ग्रेड 11th के बच्चों की लाइफ में एक फेज़ आता है जहाँ पे उनको लगता है उनसे चीज़ें हो नहीं रही हैं. मानसी मीन्स कमिंग फ्रॉम यू विल बी लाइक वो वर्ड्स मैं ऑनर करूँगा स्पेशली बिकॉज जब यू वर अंडर ट्रेनिंग मैंने देखा कि तुमने अपने टाइम को बहुत अच्छे से मैनेज किया और यू वर नेवर तुम उन स्टूडेंट्स में से नहीं थे जो मुझे रीज़न देती थी कि सर आज मैं ये नहीं कर पाई, वो नहीं कर पाई. यू ऑलवेज केम विद स्केचेस, प्रॉब्लम्स, यू नो, मतलब तुम शांत नहीं बैठती थी, तुम बहुत डायनामिक थी. लेकिन आजकल के जो बच्चे हैं जो मैं देख रहा हूँ वो बहुत उनको इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट चाहिए, इंस्टेंट कि लाइक इट्स अ फॉर्मूला, यू पुट इट एंड यू गेट द आंसर. बट द जर्नी इज नॉट लाइक दैट. आई वॉन्ट यू टू मोटिवेट देम during this journey. Like the moment they jump in this, what will be your word for them?
You just have to figure out what is it that fuels you, where is your source of energy. For me, I have always been very ambitious. I want to prove it to myself that I can achieve this goal, and once I achieve it, then I just feel like, okay, wow, that's great, but I have a new goal already set in mind. From life I've lived till now is in terms of acads or achievements or something, is everyone is good at something and it's just their journey is very different. Like few people might get into say IIT Bombay, few might get into Guwahati, few might get into say other private colleges. It's just your start, is the way you have started, and then you just fall in place somehow. You just have to keep working towards your final goal, and that final goal is also very dynamic. It might keep shifting, but at least the clarity you have as of now, you have to keep moving towards it. बहुत सारी चीज़ है. Your parents, if they are trusting so much in me, why can't I trust that much in myself and just show it to them? Yeah, I proved it for you. Or just for myself, I want to become an independent woman. So why don't I put in the effort from now on? Like
ट्रस्ट की बात करें तो ऑनेस्टली पेरेंट्स का तो ट्रस्ट था ही. मैं तो
and your trust, like you just told me that you will get into IIT, and I did not have that much of belief in myself, and someone else, my teacher, who just literally knows where I'm standing in the course right now or where I'm standing among so many people right now, he's so confident in me. I'll definitely like उतना बूस्ट तो मिलेगा ही ना मुझे कि हाँ करना चाहिए, करेंगे, करके दिखा सकते हैं.
यार बहुत स्टूडेंट है, मैं बोलता रहा हूँ कि द मोमेंट आई स्टार्ट टीचिंग ना, और तुम्हें तो मैंने कोविड पे पढ़ाया है, मतलब
Like, yeah, how do you understand? How can you predict just from like a few interactions that oh yeah, you've got the fire in you, you have the zeal in you. That was astonishing. And like on the day of my result, I was like shivering, and I was like, Mitesh sir said the same thing. Oh my god.
and I also told you that which IIT you are going to get.
Yeah. Oh, that's crazy.
यार
Yeah, I can't do that. Call back.
you know that's what I'm saying कि मैं इतने सालों से पढ़ा रहा हूँ, मतलब इट्स 2005 से मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ. मुझे बहुत कम ऐसे स्टूडेंट मिलते हैं जहाँ से मुझे एक बार में, आई विल नॉट से द नंबर ऑफ परसेंटेज, आई विल से एक कंफर्मेशन, एक रिकन्फर्मेशन, कंफर्मेशन एंड 100% एक एक्यूरेसी मुझे पहले ही पता होती कि यार दिस स्टूडेंट इज मेड फॉर दिस कॉलेज, this girl is born for this particular college. I can also put it this way कि जब IIT गुवाहाटी बना था तो इसकी पहली ईंट मानसी के नाम से रखी गई थी, मुझे ये तक मालूम था. And honestly, I'm telling you, I think during the COVID I just met you twice. वो भी आउटडोर स्केचिंग के दौरान, शायद एक बार या दो ही बार हम मिले, बट एक भरोसा था. मैं मानसी मतलब ये कन्फेस करना चाहूँगा, बताना चाहूँगा कि जब एक स्टूडेंट टीचर से अपने नॉलेज के लिए सवाल पूछता है तो टीचर जवाब ढूंढ के लाता है. और कुछ बच्चे होते हैं कि जब एक बच्चा टीचर से बोलता है ना कि क्रॉस चेक करने के लिए सवाल पूछता है तो टीचर को समझ में भी आता है. मानसी, तुम्हारी तरफ से आने हुए हर एक सवाल मेरे लिए मेरा खुद का अपग्रेडेशन था, मेरे लिए खुद का एक बोलते ना कि एक अपलिफ्टमेंट था. बिकॉज आई नो कि टफ क्वेश्चन कमिंग फ्रॉम अ स्टूडेंट विल मेक मी बेटर, विल मेक मी अ गुड टीचर. एक टफ क्वेश्चन जब आते हैं ना बच्चे से तो एक टीचर बेहतर ही बन सकता है, ख़राब नहीं हो सकता. तो मुझे वो कंफर्मेशन मिल गई थी एंड मैंने बस ये थाम लिया था कि यार आई हैव टू गिव माई बेस्ट. मुझे रात भर ढूंढना पड़े इस सवाल का आंसर, बट आई विल मेक श्योर दैट आई गाइड माई चाइल्ड इन द राइट वे. तो मुझे वो कंफर्मेशन तुमसे मिल गई थी एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस योर सक्सेस. मैंने बोला कि हो सकता है कि IIT तुम्हें लाइफ में एक बार मिला हो और तुमने 4 साल पढ़े हो, तुम्हारे 4 साल में 365 डेज मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 डेज का सेलिब्रेशन रहा होगा, लेकिन माईसिवा के लिए ये आजीवन का बोलते ना लाइफ टाइम सेलिब्रेशन रहा है कि मानसी हमारे पास से पढ़ी.
I love my Siva.
And we love you. Any recommendations you would give to all those aspirants who are learning from ICIVA या जो they are looking for classes?
Trust in your teacher. Whatever he says, follow that. Or try exploring. Be observant. Be more observant. And not just do something which is not just prescribed to you. थोड़ा सा और try करो.
Thank you so much, मानसी. मज़ा आ गया बात करके. Thank you.
Let's go. I'm really grateful you're here. This is fun.
मुझे तो मिलना ही था.
मैंने बस ऐसे ही बोला था कि like आओ because I really wanted you to, and then you actually came. Guwahati being like थोड़ा दूर from the mainland, like it is like really special for me that you're here. I'm really grateful.
I keep my words, right?
Yes.
I told you that I'll come and see you when I
Yes.
came.
Another
बहुत अच्छा
motivation for them, like study, get to good colleges, and Mitesh sir will visit you personally, give you
Amazing.
treats.
Anytime, anytime. Thank you so much, मानसी. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. Thank you. We are blessed to have you.
Yes, thank you so much.